hybrid and online teacher training course at Craven Community College. In this video tutorial, I will demonstrate how to compare your roster in web attendance tracking with your enrolled users in your Moodle course. At the beginning of each semester, it's really important to verify that your students that are enrolled in your course match the names of the students that are on your web attendance roster so that you can make sure that you have all the participants in your class that are supposed to be there and that you don't have any extra participants in your class that are not supposed to be there. So I'm in my Moodle class and I can take a look at my participants, and this is my roster in Moodle. And then what I can do is go to web attendance and I can log in as a faculty and go to my web attendance tracking screen and attendance tracking, and for this semester I will look at my list of students and I will compare these names with the names on my roster in Moodle and make sure that they are the same indeed. So the person you would let know in this instance would be the IT help desk, and this is something you would definitely want to do before the census date. So that's it. Thank you for joining me for this hot topic of verifying your attendance rosters. See you next time.